guys, it's Moz here from Moz6510 Models. Today we are doing a quick build and review. The Ford 150 Raptor was announced, I think, in February. They were saying that they were going to have these new quick builds. There's going to be a new plane, but this one came out and I actually got it this morning because I ordered it on Thursday, I think it was. They put it on the Twitter that they had these in stock. I think I'm going to be the first one to put this up on YouTube for you to have a look. But anyway, let's have a quick look at the box. Box art looks really nice. You've got an exploded view down here on the right hand side. It's 6+. If you don't know about quick builds, basically they're like Lego or Mega Blocks. So you put them together as if you're building one of them sort of kits. There's no glue, no paint, just build. So there's no mess, no fuss, and you get a model. Basically, I buy these for friends. I know there are friends who like these sort of kits. The sports cars ones, I give them as Secret Santas because even though they'll never own the car in real life, they'll have the pleasure of building it. And some even put them on their desks or even on a shelf. But yeah, so basically this is the quick build here. Side of the box, you have the warnings on the side. This is quite clever because you scan this barcode using the QR reader on your camera, and it gives you, and opens it up, and you have to put in this code here. Not this code, but you know, the codes will be all different on every box. But you can win a prize. I won a wallpaper for my iPhone. So it was something, but you know, it is what it is, isn't it? You know, it's something free. The code is for this one, J6037 Quick Build Ford F-150 Raptor. It's for 6+, Hornby. Just having a quick look. There is no flying hours on this box. So on the side here, you've got the artwork again, also the make of the model. On the side, you have this where they can hang them up on one of those little hangers in the shop. Again, the same there. So all the way around. And then back to here, we have the actual size, which is 206mm by 72mm. It's going to be that sort of size. So yeah, it's going to be looking pretty good. Let's have a look inside and see what we get. So first, they're not decals or transfers. These are actually stickers. So it looks like you've got number plates there for Europe or Great Britain. As you can see there, you've got the backlights, the front, Raptor to go across the back. And also you have Raptor very small there and F-150. And that's it really. I don't think there's anything for the dashboard here. No, the instructions are really simple. You've got to like these instructions. They are step by step. So just like when you buy a Lego kit, look at the parts. The parts will have left or right written on them normally. And you go through each stage. So 1, 2, 3, then 4, all the way along. So you put the seats in, then 5, 6. So that's where you put the bits in. That's what it should look like, okay? That's how it basically works. It's quite a simple little kit. There's no glue required. There doesn't seem to be that many parts in this one. Here you go all the way down through, and then you have where you put the stickers. So you have 13 stickers to put on. Just quickly looking there. There's the number plate. I'm just looking for where that 1, 2. So number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, number 10. Just want to see where number 5 is. Number 5. Oh, that's the bit here. I assume that's the handle, number 5 there on the stickers. So yeah, there it is. So what we need now is a box. So there you go, that's all the bits there. There are roughly 43 pieces, I believe, for this to be built. As you can see, it is very Lego-ish like, and we're going to try and build this together. Just quickly, I want to find the tyres and the wheels because they can be a bit funny on which way you put them in. Pull them off the sprue there, and then it looks like there's a little lip inside. So the lip goes on this lip here, so you push them in. There you go, and they click in, and that's really the tyres done. So there you go. If you want to watch this time lapse in slow motion, just go to the cog and click speed and then put it to like 0.2 or 0.5 if you want to see me do this slowly. So here we are. This is the Ford F-150 Raptor by Airfix. Enjoy. And there you are. This is the completed model of the Raptor. I find it pretty simple, as these kits are. There's no glue. Any mistakes, you can go back, as you would notice in the video. I forgot to put the mirrors in, so I had to go back and take a few bits off to get the mirrors back in. But it's all fit together. The fit's really good, actually, to be fair. You know, there's no real joints or like big gaps. Everything's all together. Couple of things that I'll point out was that normally these are coloured in the instructions. So as you can see, you've got blues, blue, you know, if you go through the instructions here, see all the blue bits, they're all colour coordinated. But yeah, all colour coordinated, but this is supposed to be black, but actually it's now blue inside. So I'm there looking for a black piece to go into the back. Okay, where's it to? There, that one there. I thought it'd be black. It isn't, it's blue. But other than that, it's all pretty much well together. As I said, just going back to the instructions, just to show you that where I made the error was here. I didn't see these. You know, I'm pretty good at seeing. You know, I've built a lot of kits. I just didn't see these. And so I had to basically go back through and take off these side panels just to get them back in. But it all fitted nice. And it all clicks up. You see it goes click, click. You push them together and they click really nicely. So yeah, it's not bad. It looks good, you know, for somebody. There is some slight. I'm a sucker, you know, when I'm doing decaling and stuff. I try to make sure I get it spot on, and I've pulled this up and down so many times, trying to get it in the right position that it's not properly sticking anymore. So I've got to there, it's not quite right, and as you move it to there. And I was just think, well, just sod it, you know. And so now the stickiness is gone, so it does peel up a little bit. But I can't seem to get it as dead straight as I would like to. This side's a little bit better, but as you can see, because of the bend, it doesn't want to stick down. All right, so you may, you know, get a bit of heat on it or something, just to make sure it, you know. But yeah, it's all right. The stickers they seem to be that they are peeling off already. I don't think the adhesive is as good as it could be on this one, because you're going around bends, and stickers don't like going around bends, you know. You know, if they did a decal and you could if you could put decals in these kits to do it by water, it'd be even more fun, wouldn't it? But yeah, I'm quite happy with it for what it is. It's a quick build. You know, definitely worth buying. I think they're $14.99 with about £5 postage from Airfix. You can find them in different. I'll put a link in the description down below anyway, where you can buy this little kit too. They are in stock. Yes, definitely worth buying for children or for young adults who like the thought of modelling but don't want to get involved in the glues and the paints. And also for adults, you know, if you know somebody who's interested, who's got a real interest in four-wheel drive trucks, buy them this for Christmas. You know, put it in the stocking, you know, or Secret Santa. Absolutely brilliant. Anyways, bit of a sad day today, actually, because this is the last time I'm going to be doing a video on this bench. The attic is almost done now. I've moved about 90% of my equipment upstairs. So from the next few videos, I will probably be doing them from my new workbench up in the attic. It's now been floored. There's electricity up there. Couple of things need to be done is moving a water tank, which will be done in the next 2 weeks, and then the rest of the flooring will be done on that side of the attic. Also, I need to put a hole somewhere near the loft space so I can have some extraction for when I start my spraying again. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, click like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and ring that bell. Should be notified on any new videos. Any questions, any comments, please put them in the box below, and I do reply. And I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.